it's us again. My mom Mary. That's her English name. Her real name is Ngan. My name. This is me, Elsa. You remember us? Today we are going to make a smoothie that my mom makes for next summer. For this recipe, we need some sugar, a full cup of water here, some condensed milk, and a milk like it has no sugar in here. It's very fresh. A fresh box of milk that has no sugar, okay? And we also need some mango. So you know what are we going to make today? We're going to make mango smoothie. Okay, so please enjoy it. And here are the recipe. Okay, first my mom peels the mango. I want to see if there's any ice in the fridge. There is some ice here. Let's smash the ice. Wow.
Cái xoay này nó mát được đó, không cần phải đá đó.
Alright, my mom said don't need any ice, okay? This is my mom mango smoothie before that she made a few days ago. It's very sour. Yeah, now let's see. This is something that mix them together to make smoothie. Okay. We need milk and we need water. You know that. Wow, this video seems to take a very long time. Alright, let's open the sugar.
Hai thì được.
Trên này hay là trong này?
Hai ba thì đều không?
Okay. Oh, there's a spoon here, so we don't need this spoon anymore. Pew. Yeah. Okay, scoop up one spoon of sugar. Then one more spoon. If you like it sweet, you can put about three spoon is okay, you know. And let me see, 1/2 sugar spoon. Looks so very yummy. Delicious. Have you watched the the 1 to 3 episode of Vincom Adventure? I have gone to the park on the Vincom and to the supermarket, and you see we mukbang. Okay, we mukbang. But the third video, I rated the final episode. It's not the last video of my YouTube channel. It's just the final episode about the Vincom Adventure, alright? Okay, so my mom's cutting the mango, so now put milk.
Yes.
Okay. Here's a scissor, our scissor. When my dad said at the end of this, ooh, alright, it's spilled on the floor. It's spilled on the table. What? It's okay. I'm gonna wait it later. Pour it in. I made a huge mess when I helped my mom with cooking. 1 full cup of milk. Now I need some tissue to wipe these. Alright, wipe. That's a large puddle of milk. Wipe. Alright. Are you done yet? Cho hết cốc nước mè mẹ. Okay, this is the full cup of water. Pop that. Spilled again. I always make a huge mess when I make with my own because I'm super small. I'm so small, I don't know anything. I'm just 9 years old. It's summer, okay, summer vacation. I don't know when can we have a summer vacation. I don't know, but my mom said maybe my dad going to China in this month. I guess so. I don't really know, but my dad said like that. Okay, if I know Chinese, my dad gonna let me go to Chinese with him. Condensed milk. You see the grade of the box here. Condensed milk. Oh, that looks so delicious. But wait till the end. Maybe it's going to be so marble. Wow. Wow, so delicious. So delicious. So delicious. Alright. Oh, no more condensed milk.
Con sẽ thêm thịt đường nữa không?
Alright. One more spoon. That makes 4.5 spoon. I don't think so. I need one more. My mom is so clever. So hungry, I need to eat the tissue. Wow. I bite that. Alright. Oh no, let's run. Phew. When my mom put on the blender and mix them together, it makes a very loud noise. You hear it? This is my house is making everything. There's an apple. Wow, look at that. Looks so delicious. That looks so. Oh, the mango juice, yes. The mango juice. Now when you taste it, it's going to be very yummy. Okay, thank you, mommy. It's a bit sour, but it's still delicious because it's a bit sour because we put too much water. Alright, you try. Alright, here's my mom try.
Good job.
Okay, it's very delicious. So that's all the recipe. If you want to make smoothie mango too, just make from the recipe like this video. Okay, so bye. See you next time.